Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 16th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the US dollar CAD has definitely been drifting down really well. We are below the 88% from the daily time frame, which means that it very likely is going to go all the way down and take out the 100%. And really, I definitely, because of the monthly, the weekly, and the daily is all down, I am definitely still looking for sorts in a downtrend at the end of one, two, three-way pullbacks. There's been a lot of really nice one, two, three-way pullbacks over the last week or so, and I definitely personally am going to continue to do nothing but look for three-way pullbacks unless the daily time frame gives us some sort of a break to the upside. Daily time frame has definitely not given us any break to the upside, so I will definitely continue to look for three-way pullbacks to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.